Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do something different. We never did something like this before in our channel, so I thought, okay, why not? So, okay, I recently bought some figures, like the ones which we keep in dioramas. I personally never owned anything so far. So a week back I went to a supermarket and I saw something like this. So it was really cheap. So I thought, okay, let's open it in front of all of you guys and see how that actually looks. And if it is good, I just wanted to recommend those to you guys. It is because it is really cheap, and if it is good, why not? Why not? Everyone can buy that and utilize it. So let's do that. So which is this one? So I hope a lot of people actually saw this in a lot of supermarkets if you are in Chennai more specifically. So I bought this from a supermarket called Grace, if I'm not wrong. So this is the price I bought it for, 288. So I'm pretty sure this is available in other cities as well. So for 200 rupees, you can see, I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 figures if I'm not wrong. So let's open this and see this how this actually looks. So I'm also curious, and if this is really good, I really want to utilize this for my photos while I'm taking for this thumbnails. Okay, let's spread it out. Okay, let me just put this aside and we will talk about this now. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, this is plastic. It does look neat. So he or okay she actually has eyes and everything there, but it is not painted. You can just take a small marker or something and just put some dots there. Oh my god. Let me see if she is able to stand on her own. Let me put here. Okay. So was not expecting that. She is not standing. Looks like that's what we get for 288 rupees. Okay. It does have some issues here. You can see the quality here. So it has multiple pack. I just bought like only one just to see how it looks. Okay, this one looks really promising. I mean, this one looks like you can actually keep it in front of a car. I'm hoping that this will stand. Okay, this is also not standing really well. Okay, if I put some support here, at least this is standing a little bit. So overall, this figure actually looks a bit good because this one actually looks, you know, like a car girl kind of vibe it is giving out. Okay. I don't know where we are going to keep this if we have a diorama. Maybe a old guy getting hit by a car. Maybe we can do that. Okay, let's see because he has three legs. Let's see if he is able to stand. No, he is also not able to stand. Okay, that is another bummer. Okay, so there is one sitting lady here. So this looks like doesn't give any car vibes, but you can put something behind the car. The car is going on the street somewhere and someone is watching. You can put it like that. So let's see if she is able to sit straight. Okay, we do have something here for that. Yeah. Okay, at least that one worked. Let's keep the spider here so that we do have one more sitting guy here. So he is wearing a suit and tie. So I thought this is going to look a bit cool so that I can put it on top of the car. Okay, at least he is able to sit. Okay, yeah, this looks really cool. He has some kind of drip, but he's dropping really well. He's not standing at all. Okay, so let's get to the next one. I think this one are same, but just with a different t-shirt color. Yeah, let's see if this is a bit different. No, this is worse than that. Okay, fine. There is another one. Yeah, even this one actually looks really good. Okay, this is also not standing. I don't know why. Okay, so if we are going to use this, we might need to have some kind of glue or double set sellotape to. I mean, there are this 3M transparent sellotapes. You have the double side ones. You can use that to keep these guys in place. If you are keeping a static diorama, like the ICs, there are some other channels. People's actually have the garage kind of settings. Like the dioramas I'm talking about, and they're having the cars and everything, so they can just paste this there. For a long shot kind of thing, it would look really cool. It is really cheap. And okay, this one and is the same. No, these are different. I know this is also not going to stand, but anyways, we will try. Nope. Standing ones are really shit. Okay, this guy's got some drip. Let's see. No, this also not. This guy is also not standing, right? So looks like, I don't know. I don't know if I can say I wasted 200 rupees, but I mean, if it is a static diorama and if you are going to keep it in a place without any movement, and if you are able to, and if you can just put some sellotape here and just stick it, it is going to stand. Specifically, couple are really nice. Is these, I would say these looks really good. These are not really good. I mean, this feels like old age people. This one looks like, this it gives this uh, car vibe, so we can utilize this. But that's it, guys. Looks like it is. I don't know if I can recommend this, but if you want something cheap and if you want to keep something static, then I would recommend this. If you want something really good, I know people are actually selling a lot of 3D printed stuff nowadays, but again, that is also for a huge margin, to be honest. If you are okay with getting that, go ahead and get it, or get some branded ones for 1,500 or 2,000 rupees for a mini GT or tarmac ones. I really don't want to waste that much money on just for a couple of you know tiny human figurines. So that's the reason I never bought any. So instead of that, I would buy a car or two cars, and I would unbox that in the channel. I would keep it very happily. So with that said, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.